Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to make gold notes on Instagram. So to get those gold notes, it's already actually impossible to this date because it's already over because that's only available when the Olympics was available. So the only thing you can do right now is actually go to your notes right here in your messages, and now it's October, you can actually use the word boo in your notes, and as you can see, it's going to give you the Halloween theme because it's Halloween, and there's no more gold notes because that was only for the Olympics and that was only valid at that time. And when you update your application, basically it will also update the notes in your actual Instagram. But if you still have it, the only way you can do it is actually by mentioning gold or victory right here. So it's either gold right here, but it's not gonna work anymore, as you can see, only your boo because it's actually Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys, and there you go.